Hi there, my name is Tian Teck from Sticky Spy. I made a video the other day on how I set up the green screen behind me, and what I like to do in this video is to show that to you. So stick around. Welcome to another episode of Amazing Sticky Presentation inspired by Sticky Spy, bringing you tips, ideas, design for better presentation, turning your ideas into lasting impressions. If you are presenting in a Zoom meeting, you want to ensure that the background behind you during your presentation is presentable. You want to find a location that has a nice background and make sure that there are no clothes lying around the floor on your sofa or something that is messy. If you cannot find a location with a presentable background, what you can do is to put up a green screen behind you, a real green screen, and use a virtual background where most of the virtual meeting platform allows you to actually turn on the option for a green screen. You don't have to use or buy a very expensive professional green screen. All you need to do is to go to your local departmental store to buy a green cloth, a huge, large green cloth about 2 meters by 2.5 meters. That should be enough. And find a way to hang the green cloth behind you. If you have a wall behind you, that would be perfect. If not, then maybe find some pole or some stand that you are able to hang that green cloth. And that will work perfectly as well. And the green cloth will only cost you maybe about $10, from your local departmental store. And what I'm going to do right now is to put up my green cloth that I have, right? Okay, so come take a look. So I have this green cloth here. Which I'm going to put it up on a pole that I have right here. Okay, and this cloth I bought locally from my local department store, which cost me about $10. Okay, so let's do it. Hey, if you are still watching, how about giving this video a like and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos. There you go, my green screen made with a $10 piece of green cloth. Okay, so with the green screen, with the real green screen behind me that has been set up, I can actually do wonders. I can switch the green screen out and I can use any picture as my virtual background, something like that, right? And that is so interesting. If I don't like this background, I could actually switch to another background, right? Switch to another background, and there I have another background, very cleanly done, doesn't flicker, is very professional if you have a real green screen. And I could also do other things like, for example, I can have a slide behind me, right? And I can change the position of myself. Instead of right in the middle, I can switch myself to the side, right? So that it looks good. I can change to a different size, right? I can switch myself to the left as well as any position I like. So it's too much to the left, let me switch back to the right or make me a bit smaller. Right? And that is the wonderful thing about having a real green screen together with appropriate software and hardware for you to superimpose yourself on the slide, right? And that is a wonderful things that you can do. So I'm going to put myself there, or I can change to another slide if I want to. And that is a way to make yourself look really professional over a Zoom meeting if you are presenting. So how was that? I hope that you find this video interesting and you are able to set up your own green screen for your virtual meeting. I always use the green screen for my training session and also my Zoom meetings. You can use that with your ATEM Mini Pro switcher if you have one, or you can also use it directly with Zoom meeting or any virtual platform or any virtual meeting platform that you are using. So that's it. I hope you like this video. Before you go, remember to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Bye-bye.